Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Coverado car seat cover, and before you make a choice on upgrading your vehicle's interior, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research to bring you all the details, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the Coverado car seat cover, and we'll be evaluating its price point, performance, material quality, and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The Coverado car seat cover stands out immediately with its premium Nappa leather construction, which is a significant upgrade from typical PVC leather options in the market. This isn't just any seat cover, it's crafted from porous Nappa leather that delivers exceptional breathability and a luxurious touch that transforms your driving experience. The material features high-density elastic foam padding that enhances comfort during both short commutes and long road trips. What makes these covers particularly impressive is their universal compatibility, fitting 99% of vehicles on the market including sedans, hatchbacks, crossovers, pickups, cabs, and SUVs. The covers are designed to work seamlessly with existing car features like armrests, seat belts, airbag openings, adjustable headrests, and even baby safety seats. The airbag compatibility is crucial. The covers won't interfere with deployment in emergency situations, ensuring your family's safety remains uncompromised. The design philosophy behind these covers is remarkable. The integrated flowline design with accent stitching creates a modern, sporty aesthetic that elevates any vehicle's interior. The surface features a fine texture that adds visual depth and three-dimensional appeal. Additionally, the flanks on either side are reinforced with thicker padding, providing extra lateral support and a wraparound feeling that's typically found in luxury vehicles costing tens of thousands more. Installation is refreshingly straightforward with the chuck and hook system that allows for easy fixing without professional help. Each package includes 2 front seat covers and 3 rear seat covers, providing complete interior coverage. The rear seat covers feature adjustable touch fasteners that accommodate various car models. The non-slip backing ensures the covers stay firmly in place even during aggressive driving maneuvers. One of the most practical features is the integrated car pocket storage box, perfect for organizing small items like magazines, tissues, mobile phones, glasses, keys, and charging cables. This thoughtful addition helps maintain a clutter-free cabin environment. The removable headrest portion connects with a rounded design that naturally conforms to head curves for optimal comfort. Maintenance is exceptionally easy, whether dealing with sweat from workouts, spills from children, coffee accidents, or everyday dirt and debris. These covers can be cleaned with just a wet cloth. The Nappa leather resists fading and tearing even after extended use, making this a long-term investment in your vehicle's interior. The target audience for these covers is broad, appealing to families needing protection from children and pets, professionals wanting to upgrade their daily commute experience, rideshare drivers protecting their investment, and car enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's aesthetics without breaking the bank. However, one notable downside some users may find is that these covers aren't compatible with vehicles featuring built-in seatbelts or built-in headrests. This limitation means owners of certain luxury vehicles or specific truck models might need to look elsewhere. Additionally, while the universal fit works for most vehicles, some users with unusually shaped seats might experience minor fitting issues that require extra adjustment. The price point positions these covers as a premium option, but considering the genuine Nappa leather construction and comprehensive coverage, they offer outstanding value compared to professional reupholstering, which can cost thousands of dollars. You got it. So that's it for the best car seat covers on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.